You don't know what you don't know, you know? Anyways, when you get something over the internet, you buy a car, you don't know what you don't know until you know. You know? And you're gonna see what we got going on this week at the Hot Rod Shop. Come on. Oh yeah. What's the dance look like with this? This car came from Streetside Classics, okay? This guy bought this car over the internet. Wow, it looks really pretty. He brought it to us because it was leaking oil. Can you fix it? Can you check it out? Come here. When you hone out a motor, like in this area here, basically you put like, it's like a crosshatch in it so it holds the oil. So the oil and the rings break in, it all goes together.
Our machinist won't even answer the phone anymore. Because I bring him all these morphidites.
Brian, what were you telling me about the cross-threaded? When they put the motor together.
90% of the bolts were either cross-threaded or the wrong size. Torque converter bolts were cross-threaded, everything was...
And the torque converter, the same scenario. They pulled the flywheel to the torque converter because it wouldn't get close enough and flex.
Oh, that's a nice thing to do.
Yeah, the flex plate was pulled all the way in.
Couldn't they have really at least shimmed it?
that would be the proper thing to do.
Though Streetside does sell a lot of good cars, this just doesn't have to be a very good experience and you don't want to end up in that situation. Of course, if you do, we'd be happy to fix it for you. The other day at the Hot Rod Shop, is that a pretty car or what? Did you see these cars? Come here. Charger, 68, Chevelle, Mike Silva's, I know him very well. This is Fisker. I broke it. We are busy. This is just another week at the Hot Rod Shop, man. We got built some really cool stuff, aren't we? We should go inside and check it out. This guy brought it in here because we had to do a complete rewire. All the lights, all the gauges, all the ignition harness. There's like three basic harnesses in. There's a gauge cluster harness. We rewired the whole thing for him. We put different springs in the back of it. Drove it around a bunch. And now he wants us to do some other stuff. He's supposed to go home. I'm not really sure. That's the Hot Rod Weekly, man. Just giving you a little glimpse, just a little part of the Hot Rod Shop. It's kind of cool, ain't it?